ICC presented only one witness, and they started in the reverse way, whereas ordinarily we expect the IO to be the last witness to tie up what other witnesses will have spoken about. They chose to bring the IO as the first witness, and he has been the only witness. And I think even the court must have been very, very bored. Me, I was very sympathetic because those guys, they kept on just writing one thing. The IO kazi yake ilikuwa ya kusoma invoice number. Your Honor, before you, this invoice number. And now, personally, I was just wondering how those invoice numbers were related to my presence and even the presence of the person. Because they would have made a lot of meaning if the signatories to those invoices were also parties to this. But that was completely omitted. So it's also upon you as analyzers of news to go and find out the good reasons why those who authored the invoices were not invited to come and explain. And my elementary knowledge about conspiracy and money laundering should be as follows. If it is conspiracy to defraud the government or the county, then you don't expect me and my family, people who are not signatories to the procurement processes, to any of the accounts, to conspire within my house with children, the so-called children, who are adults by definitions of an adult and a child. Because the so-called children of mine are grown-up people under the law. So if there are offenses they committed, they should be charged on their own. But you can't say, like you here, if you commit an offense, then your parents are charged. And those offenses that are said to be committed are just fake things. I'm not afraid to say fake. I can defend that fake things. How do you conspire to defraud the county without bringing forth the procurement officers, the finance guys who participated in? And how do you conspire really with a contractor when you are not party to any of those processes? It is like just now taking the president to court and saying that the people in public works or in water already have committed an offense. So you are charging him simply because you want to make some news.